Hey everyone, welcome to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into how to log out of your Jacked account in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch devices, protect your privacy, or just take a break from the app, this quick guide will have you covered. Jacked is a popular app for connecting with people, but knowing how to log out properly is key to keeping your account secure. First things first, make sure your Jacked app is up to date. The 2025 version includes some handy improvements for better user experience, so head to your App Store and update if needed. Once that's done, open the Jacked app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 1. Look for the menu icon, usually a 3-line hamburger button or your profile picture in the top corner of the screen. Tap it to open the navigation menu. Step 2. In the menu, scroll down and find the Settings or Account option. This might vary slightly based on your device, but it's typically easy to spot. Step 3. Once in Settings, locate the Log Out or Sign Out button. It could be under a Security or Account Management section. Step 4. Tap Log Out, and the app may prompt you for confirmation. Just hit Yes or Confirm to proceed. You'll be logged out instantly, and the app will return to the login screen. That's it. Simple and straightforward. Remember, logging out doesn't delete your account, it just ends your current session. If you're on the web version of Jacked, the process is similar. Go to your profile in the top right and select Log Out from the drop-down. A quick tip: always log out on shared devices to protect your personal info. If you run into any issues, double-check for app updates or contact Jacked support. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.